Hey everyone, today we are diving into the world of search engines. This comprehensive guide breaks down the magic behind online searches, giving you a deep understanding of the intricate processes. So, without further ado, let us begin. Step number 1. The intricate process of crawling. Let's kick off our journey by unraveling the first step in the enigmatic realm of how search engines operate. It is a process known as crawling, and it is essentially the way search engines explore the vast expanse of the internet. Imagine search engines as digital voyagers equipped with automated web crawlers or spiders. These clever digital entities are like the Lewis and Clarks of the internet, embarking on grand expeditions on your behalf. Their initial task is to fetch the web pages you request, much like an explorer discovering uncharted territory. But here is where it gets fascinating. These web crawlers don't just stop at the pages they initially retrieve. No, they follow the intricate web of links within those pages, creating an intricate network of connections. It is like a web within the web, enabling them to uncover new content, much like explorers discovering hidden treasures. The result of this systematic exploration is a colossal database aptly named Caffeine. This repository is brimming with URLs of web pages that the ever-diligent crawlers have visited. These URLs are meticulously stored, ready for rapid retrieval when you, the user, enter a specific query in the search engine, seeking valuable information. Step number 2. The art of indexing. Now that our web crawlers have executed their mission, it is time to delve into the intricate world of indexing. This step involves the meticulous organization and storage of the vast troves of information that our crawlers have diligently gathered. Picture massive data centers within the labyrinth depths of search engine operations, where they hold copies of the web pages meticulously curated by our web crawlers. These copies collectively give birth to what is colloquially known as the index. This index, in essence, is a treasure chest of web pages. For your website to be discoverable on the web, it must have a place in this prestigious index. If it doesn't make the cut, it won't make an appearance in search results, which can be a considerable setback in the digital age. What is even more fascinating is that search engines don't store everything they encounter on a web page in their index. Instead, they focus on the critical elements that define a page's identity, such as its creation date, updates, title, description, content type, keywords, links, and much more. It is like indexing a library of the internet, ensuring that the most valuable and relevant content is readily available. Step number 3. The science of ranking. Now that you are well versed in the intricacies of crawling and indexing, let us plunge into the intricate process of ranking. This crucial step holds the power to determine where your webpage stands in the grand hierarchy of search results. Within the annals of search engine operation, there is a meticulous sifting process through the index to cherry-pick the most relevant and valuable content. The cream of the digital crop gets featured at the pinnacle of the search engine results pages, or SERPs. We briefly mention an ingenious algorithm known as PageRank. This algorithm serves as the arbiter of a website's importance in the grand scheme of the internet. The higher a website ranks according to PageRank, the more relevant the search engine deems it to be for a user's query, thus influencing its position in search results. That's it for today. If this concept resonated with you, then stay tuned for our next video where I will introduce how to master SEO, a comprehensive guide to boost your website's ranking. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you until the next one.